how to create a Stripe account. Now if you want to create a Stripe account, it is actually quite very simple for you to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then open your browser and then just go to stripe.com, which is the official website. From here, tap on the three lines or the menu icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Once you're here, you'll find the option from the bottom that says sign in, so just make sure to tap on the sign in screen right there. Now when you tap on the sign in button, on the next page it will take you to the sign in page. So if you have an account, that's perfectly fine. If you don't, from the bottom you can see this option that says create account. So just tap on the create account button. So once you tap on the create account button, over here you simply have to go ahead and then type in your email address right here. Once you type in your email address, you want to simply go ahead and then type in your full name, and then you can simply create a password. So you can choose a suggested password from Google, or you can create your own password right here. Then after that, you simply have to select your country of residence, agree to the terms and conditions, tap on the create account button. Once you tap on it, it will ask you for a couple of verification. You will receive a mail confirmation first of all, and once you verify it, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically create your Stripe account. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.